Hello children, today we are going to learn about the sound of the alphabet. C. C for cat. This is a cat. C for cow. C for cap. C for comb. D. D for duck. These are ducks. D for doll. D for dog. D for dress.